We're going to be reading a book called Mysterious Movers. This book is written and illustrated by Michael Mayer. Mysterious Movers, written and illustrated by Michael Mayer. It's mystifying. My world is pushed and pulled, rearranged. Who is the mover? Mighty wind unseen, you move so many things. Push my swing up high. Dance, little seeds, dance. Pirouette on gentle winds. Land on fertile soil. Mighty ocean tides, you rhythmically ebb and flow. Whose song do you hear? Powerful ocean waves, carriers of salty gifts, bring treasures to me. Roll, little shell, roll. Spin and turn on ocean waves. Rest on sandy shores. Be still, little crab. No one knows you are inside. Tiptoe out of sight. Lift your face, little flower. Bathe in the light of the sun. Sway in the soft breeze. Ripple, little brook. Dance over the rocks below. Sing a splashing song. Rotate slowly. Bring a year of happy days. Watch the seasons change. Glide, silver moon. Play hide and seek with the clouds. Do you chase the sun? Rise high, golden sun. Shine your light from east to west. Sink slowly from sight. Things move here and there, mysteriously propelled. Can you name a few? The end. I would like for you to go outside and build a pile of sand or dirt. Place seeds or twigs in the pile. Pour water over the pile and watch the seeds and twigs travel. How many twigs or seeds did you use? What happened? How does it move? Why does it move that way? Take a video or a picture and send it to me on Class Dojo.